What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. For the last few days I have not been able to post the videos consistently because I was traveling. Now I'm back in the studio and you will see some amazing contents going forward. In today's video we are going to talk about a brand new update that we have received for Samsung's browser application, and this update does add a brand new feature. Let me go ahead and show you the updates here. We do have a bunch of updates. In fact, we have got update for Samsung members, Pass, autofill with Samsung Pass, Samsung Find, authentication framework. No new features here, probably bug fixes and stability improvements. But for Samsung browser, you can see we have got a brand new feature here. The version number is 30.0.2.61 and the size it shows approximately 300 MB, and the update date was 3rd July, a couple of days ago. I didn't really get time to make a video on this, so here we go. Now what we're going to do is we're going to update the application and see what is this new feature all about. But let me first read the changelog here. It supports a manage windows menu that makes it easy to manage multiple browser windows. Now that seems to be a useful feature. Let's go ahead and update the application and see what is this all about. Let me open the application. Now this manage window should be on the recent tabs. Let me tap on the recent tabs here. Here we have got a lot of recent tabs. Let me tap on this three-dot button and here it is. We have got the manage windows tab here. Let me tap on this and see what happens here. We have a new tab which shows 15 tabs here. If I tap on this, you can see all these tabs are available. Now I can go to manage windows and tap on a new window where I can have multiple tabs again. You can see I just have one tab here. Let me open Amazon here and let me open another website here, maybe Flipkart, and let's do another one plus Google. Now we've got 3 tabs. Now on this specific window, we have got 3 tabs. Now if I want to go to the previous window, I can tap on manage windows and go to this particular window or this tab where we have got 15 different tabs under that. Let me tap on this. You can see all these 15 tabs are available here. Go back here and tap on today's tabs. We've got 3 tabs over here. Now this is how we can easily manage tabs now. We can have multiple windows open and we can have them on different tabs, which is kind of useful. Now let's go back here and see if we have an option to delete this. We have got a 3-dot button here on new tabs. Let me tap on the 3-dot button. Open in split screen view, open in pop-up view, move to another window, close. Let's tap on open in split screen view. Here it is. We have got all these 15 windows are opened up in split screen view, and I can also open the rest of the 3 tabs here. You can see we got 3 tabs over here. I can multitask here with different tabs. So that is how this works, this all new update works. And it's good to see Samsung always keeps improving these features, keep adding new features. And you may be wondering who would be using this, but there are people who would definitely use some of the features. It's subjective, it depends on the use case scenarios. Not everybody would be using all these features, but there are requirements for some individuals who will be using these features. And Samsung caters to all different kinds of requirements, all different individuals. And that's what we like about Samsung, right? Now, this is the all new update. Now what I'll do is I will leave an APK for this version of the Samsung browser application. You can go ahead and try it on your Galaxy phones. Currently this is on the One UI 9 and this may work on One UI 8.5 as well. I will leave an APK link. Go ahead, download it, install it and see whether this new feature is showing up, whether it is working on your Galaxy phone. That's all I want to share with you guys. If you haven't downloaded our Walrus wallpaper application yet, go ahead, download it. Under the collections, we recently added a brand new category, a brand new collection called Vista, where we have got all the raw nature wallpapers here. There are some beautiful ones. Do go ahead and check them out. And we consistently keep working on improving the application. So if you like this app, go ahead, rate it 5-star on Play Store. And while you do that, be sure to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button if you find this video informative. Thanks for watching. You guys take care and stay safe. Cheers. Bye-bye.